Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your microphone issues on Discord. So if your microphone doesn't work properly on Discord, let me show you what you can do. First of all, we need to check if the microphone is properly connected to the PC. So do that, and then if you are sure that everything is properly connected, check if the microphone is detected by the PC system. So we can, for instance, if you are on Windows 11, we can go to sound settings. So I'm gonna click over here, and then let's go to sound settings. And now over here, I am sure that my microphone is properly connected because I have it over here. You can also check if the volume is set to above 0. And we can also go inside the microphone and make sure that it is also used for communication. So you might see a button over here where it will say use for communication or something similar to that. For instance, over here I have this microphone that is not used by default or for communication, so I have this option over here, set as default sound device, and if I click over here, I can set for audio and for communication. So you want to make sure that your microphone is used as default for communications. After that, we can go back to Discord, and what we can do is go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner, and now go to voice and video. Over here, you will find all settings related to audio. At the top over here, we have input device. If we click over here, we should find a list of all microphones that are properly connected and detected by our PC system. So if default doesn't work for you, and if you want to make sure that it works, you can click on Let's Check button over here in order to start listening to yourself. If you can hear yourself, then your microphone is properly connected. Otherwise, you need to click on this list over here and then select the microphone that you are using. Also, make sure that the input volume is high enough. It should be probably 100% by default. However, if it's not, then try to increase the volume level of the input, and once again do the microphone test to make sure that it works. In addition to that, make sure that the input mode is the one that you actually want to use. For instance, you might have it set to push to talk. So you need to have a key that will be also used for push to talk. So you can press record keybind, and then you can press any key that you want to use the push to talk. So I'm gonna use my side button on my mouse, and now I can use this button which I just assigned as a way to communicate with others, because my option to do so, in order to use my microphone, I have the push to talk mode. If you want to have your microphone enabled all the time and you want Discord to detect your voice, then of course you should use voice activity. Furthermore, you can try to disable or enable automatically determine input sensitivity option. It might vary depending on your microphone, so check out both of these options, either with this option being enabled and disabled. If you have this disabled, then you will see this slider over here, and if you talk to your microphone even without the mic test, you will see this bar rising up and down, because, well, if your microphone is properly connected, then it should actually look something like this. The voice should be detected over here. And if you move it a little bit too far to the right, then your voice or the detection range will be too little. So you need to make sure that the range is set up actually in a way that reaches the green line, because the green space over here is actually the voice that is enabled by Discord, that is detected. So make sure that this is also properly set up. Although, as I said, you can also try the automatic sensitivity detection. And if you talk, then as you can see, then the indicator will be in a solid green. You can also scroll down in order to find the voice processing. So you can try disabling or enabling echo cancellation. Although if your voice is not detected by Discord, then you might need to disable echo cancellation. This might help. Try also to set up different noise suppression options. For instance, if you're using Crisp, maybe you need to use standard, or you can also try to completely disable the noise suppression if your voice is not detected after using one. Also, we have advanced voice activity, which also, once again, as in previous options, this might be helpful, and this might be also the cause that others cannot hear you. So try to enabling and disabling this option, and then try it out on voice channels to see if your voice is then detected. Also, we have automatic gain control, which is used in order to manipulate the volume level of your microphone. So if you talk quiet, then the Discord will increase the volume a little bit in order to make sure that you are heard loud and clear. However, if you talk too loud, then the volume level will be slightly decreased in order to level it up. If you want to, you can of course enable and disable this option, as this also might be the issue for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.